Hey guys, the time is finally here. The full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. And I'm telling y'all, bruh, the pants, the jeans, y'all see me rocking with these right here during on feet. Hey, these things looking fire, and I know I'm gonna be wearing them a lot this year in 2024, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, I'm super happy, super excited. You guys hear my voice a little bit going, you know what I'm saying? Chiefs back-to-back Super Bowl champions. And I had to watch my video from last year when we won the Super Bowl and the video after, you feel me? I could barely even hear myself talking, so I did think I did a little bit better this year as far as my yelling and my excitement and containing that excitement, man. So yeah, man, if you are new here to the channel, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell. Today, like I said, full review and on feed, Bred Reimagined, sneaker of the year as of right now. We still have some more dope stuff coming out, but these right here have been the talk of the talk. Everybody wants them. Everybody been talking about them. And after that shock drop, you guys seen what the resale value did, which we're gonna talk all about in today's video, man. Before we do, everybody watching right now, leave a huge like. All right, guys, first things first, man, let's go ahead and check out the box right here. You got the reverse Air Jordan 4 box with the cement on the upper of the lid, with the flight up there in the red Jumpman. And the bottom of the box is all black, and the official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Black Fire Red Cement Gray. And I got these in a size 9.5, and I've been recommending you guys to do the same thing. If you can, if you want to trust your boy, go up a half a size. You guys let me know how that fit, but I'm usually in a size 9, and this 9.5 has been feeling really, really good. That's what I'm telling y'all, man. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. They're super comfortable. That leather is just crazy, and I don't gotta worry about them getting as dirty as my 2019 pair of Breds. And I did already take it off, but you do have this Nike Air tag that will come with your Bred Reimagined when you do get them in. Bam, man, there we have them. Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. And real quick, before we even touch up on a couple of the details of the sneaker, let me know right now down below in the comment section if you already secured a pair via GOAT, StockX, the shock drop. Let me know if you already secured them, because I've seen a lot of people in the the videos we talking about these Breds. They're like, you already got them. I already got a double up. And my double up will be here very, very shortly, because I hit on this shock drop myself. But checking out the entire upper of the sneakers, made up some nice tumble leather all the way around it. Kind of giving you some Motorsport 4 vibes. I remember that pair dropped a while back. Everybody loved the quality of the leather, not so much of the colorway, but the leather on these reimagined Breds, man, is nonetheless one of the best I've seen on a pair of 4s in a long time. And another Air Jordan 4 that I think of off the top of my head as far as, excellent, leather quality is all the metallic colorways and the pure money 4s. And if we touch a little bit more specific, you got to throw in the Oreo guys as far as crazy leather quality in a pair of Air Jordan 4s. Of course, you do have your Nike Air in the back in that cement gray right there. You guys know it's a huge difference between the Nike Air and the Jumpman. I can just imagine if they did throw like a Jumpman on the back, people probably wouldn't like them as much, but the Nike Air definitely looks good. It is a Bred, it is a reimagined colorway, so Nike Air suits it well. On the tongue, you do have a red Jumpman with the flight underneath it. You didn't get any extra laces with these Bred Reimagined, only black laces. But I could definitely see a lot of people throwing in gray, even red, or even maybe some white laces, because you will get that white to pop on the midsole that you do get on the rear of the sneaker. You get some more cement gray hits on the midsole as well, with a nice matte finish of black on the midsole. And then checking out the front of the midsole leading to the outsole, you do have all of your stars going down below on the outsole. Speaking of outsoles, man, go ahead and check it out. You do have your red Nike, got a couple white pods, you got the cement gray and the red, like I said. And I was checking out my 2019 Breds, and I beat these things up, man. So the reimagined Breds were definitely a must. Like, I needed them. I needed a fresh pair, and something that's different between these two, you know what I'm saying, the huge elephant in the room is the differences of material. So on your reimagined, you have the leather, and on the 2019s, you do have that nubuck suede going all around it. You guys can see the dust still on these joints from years ago, man. And one of the main reasons I do feel like people are gravitating more towards the 2024 Bred Reimagined rather than 2019 is because, like I said, that all leather, you can wear it throughout the seasons. You don't got to worry about the rain. You got to worry about the snow. Wipe them joints off when you get back to the crib. But as far as the 2019s, bruh, you can literally see all the damage I did in these. I wore these in the rain a couple times. I think I even wore them when it was snowing one time but you guys can also see the harsh creases that it does leave. And I don't think that you'll get as many harsh creases in the Reimagined with the all leather on these guys. But also between the two pairs, the 2019 and 2024s, is like, you know, you had these for a while. What, 2019, that's about what, 5 years ago. It's a little bit more on the ashy side of things. But when you switch over to the Reimagined, it's kind of like a shiny look, a vibrant look, a Reimagined look, which kind of makes them pop a little bit more. And I don't blame people for saying that the newer pair is better. I can't agree with that, man. It's OG all day, but it is what it is. I do get where y'all coming from. You also do have your cement gray lining around the sock liner, and you have the cement gray on the lacing system. And I told y'all, man, after the shock drop, man, a lot of these prices did go down. And I know a lot of people saying, you know, should I buy them now? Should I wait? And I honestly would tell you guys, you might even hit on the actual release date. Like, you might hit this weekend. It's like 550,000 pairs all together, men's and GS, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put the total stock numbers up when we do get closer to the release date. But right now, man, everything does look a lot more on the consumer side of things because it is so many pairs. So checking out right now, my size 9.5. They're only going for $266 in a couple of days, or even a week before the shot drop. They're going for like $360. So $100 swing almost over on StockX and GOAT. And I do feel like when we get closer to the release date, then we're going for more of that $220, $230 price range, because these joints right here retail for $210 or $215. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video, full review and on feet of these joints. Man, I know the on feet gonna be crazy. I know you're gonna love it. And if you guys don't mind, go ahead and comment down below after the on feet, which one is your favorite pants to go with these Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Sneaker of the year, I don't know as of yet, but the military blues is knocking on the door, bro. I've never had those. One of the ones that I've always wanted growing up. And they're doing it with the crazy SB cut that they did with the SB Pine Green 4s, just like the Bred Reimagined 4s. And I just can't wait, man. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get them things early for you guys, break them down, review them on feet, and all that good stuff. But for right now, I'm gonna give these flowers. I love them. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys think about these things. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? If you take an L, will you be paying resale, man? Let me know all that down below in the comment section. And with all this being said, your boy DaVinci is gonna catch you in next video. Enjoy it on feet, man.
Hey, hey. Hey, look. Check how we moving with division in mind. I'm low side with my on division with slime. Been making plays, I'm finna dish 'em a dime. I feel my pocket vibrating, that's your on the line. Check how I'm living with division in mind. I'm low side with my on division with slime. You tryna hit me, gotta get in the line. Better go and get you some business instead of dipping in mine. Look, I hit the avenue, baby, I'm on a mission. I peel a scab or two if you play me some pimping. I used to talk a lot lately I listen. I'm quick to cut them if they can't play their position. We slizzard inside the Chevy, no levy, holding the wave. Blowing this herbal medley hit like a bundle of sage. Popping my little ism, I did them dirty, I'm petty. Moving, you hear me shaking, just hit my line when you ready. Straight from that Mississippi, a plate of fish and spaghetti. Deep in they feelings, I'm feeling like getting fetty. About of my mentions, if you ain't mention that money. Thinking they player, we play it thinking it's funny. Put that in her tummy until she tell me she love me. If it work, I'm a genius, and if it don't, I'm a dummy. Funny that double standard, they never give you the credit. Leaving behind me to focus on where I'm headed. Like, check how we living with division in mind. I'm low side with my on division with slime. Been making plays, I'm finna dish 'em a dime. I feel my pocket vibrating, that's your on the line. Check how I'm living with division in mind. I'm low side with my on division with slime. You tryna hit me, gotta get in a line. Better go and get you some business instead of dipping in mine. They never wanna see me winning, I know it. Burning like I grow it. I got the feels of a poet. And even